Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Coming up on April the 10th, we have the 8th annual NEO Annual Craft Fair. Now, we're going to tell you about a great cause that this is for, and we're fortunate enough this morning to be joined by Keely Adams. Keely is the Testing and Advising Coordinator and the Director of the Honors Program at NEO. Keely, I want to thank you so much for your time this morning, because it's very interesting the role that you've played in this and the importance that it has, not only for the college, but also the community. First off, the elevator speech, what do you tell people about the craft fair and why it's important?
The main thing that the NEO Craft Fair accomplishes, other than having people from all over the 4 states come in and share all of the things that they've made and created, is that all of the funds from the NEO Craft Fair, everything that we raise, whether that's through our vendor fees or donations on the day of, it all goes to directly support NEO students. It's put on by a group called NEO Women and Friends, which was established about a decade or so ago. And since establishing, they have created scholarships on campus. They put forth funding to build an outdoor classroom, which is beautiful. It's right outside of Shipley Hall here on campus. There's a lot of nice landscaping. It's a nice place to sit and enjoy and spend time with students. And they also now help other student organizations and resources on campus. We have Peggy's Closet, which is a business and professional attire closet. It's a room here we have on campus, and it's full of donated clothes that help students who may need something for an interview if they don't have professional dress, or if they're starting a new job and need to start building their professional wardrobe.
I think it's really interesting that this is the 8th year that this has continued on, and so nice that you're able to bring it back after obviously having to take last year off. What does it say about the sustainability and the importance of this, and the fact that this is almost now a decade old, and the importance to it for the college and the community?
I think it really shows how eager people are to serve our students. You know, they come and they enjoy being here, but the end goal being this is going to go directly back to our students. We did have to cancel last year, unfortunately. We are coming back this year on a slightly smaller scale, but people were very anxious to get back on board and rejoin us. We have very many returning vendors and also new vendors that were going to be excited to join us on Saturday. So I think it really shows the support that we have from the surrounding community here at NEO.
Keely, you say scaled back. You have 38 vendors coming out. You have 38 vendors. I mean, let's put it this way. If that's your definition of scaled back, this is rather impressive. Keely, I tell you what, before we get out of here, give me the specifics as far as where I can find you, where I can find the craft fair, and our times.
So the easiest way to get in contact with us is actually on our Facebook page. You can find us at NEO Craft Fair. Right now we are highlighting all of our vendors. So each day we are posting different vendors and what they are selling, what they've created. So that has our contact information on it as well. Again, the event is this Saturday, April 10th. It's from 10 to 3, and most importantly, admission is free. So we invite everyone to come in, take your time shopping. I do want to note that it is on NEO's campus. It's in our Student Activity Center. So we are following their COVID safe protocol, and we are requiring masks, and we've made sure to take measures to accommodate for social distancing.
Keely, you beat me to the punch on all those details. You are absolutely phenomenal for joining us. I want to thank you for your time. Keely Adams, she is the Director of the Honors Program at NEO A&M, and now in charge of speaking for the NEO Craft Fair, which once again I want to reiterate goes to scholarships and resources at the college. Keely, thank you very much for joining us, and thank you for all you do for the 4 states.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.